What's going on, guys? It's Sean here, and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in this black and pine green colorway. Inspired by the J-Pack or Jordan Pack designs from the past, these Nike SBs sort of mirror the color scheme of the Royal ones, the Bread ones, shoes like that, but this time in pine green and adopted on the Nike Dunk Low. These retail for a price of $90 US or 120 Canadian dollars, and I picked these up locally at Adrift, one of our local skate shops. So the official colorway for this shoe is black, pine green, and white. And though this wasn't a collab and there wasn't any hype surrounding this shoe, I was still super happy to add this to my collection. So jumping straight into the shoe, this is a very simple and straightforward sneaker. The green, which is done in leather, accents the black, which is done in nubuck. So as we take a look at the toe box, here we have this decently soft green leather. We have these perforations running throughout, and then surrounding the outer edges, here we have this black nubuck. This black nubuck covers the entire back end of the shoe as well, and then overlaid on top of this, giving it some added contrast, we have this pine green leather swoosh. On the back heel, we have this additional accent of green. This is found on the Nike word mark, which is embroidered at the very top. In terms of laces, so these come with your standard oval shaped black laces, but they do give you a secondary pair of green laces if you want to give the shoe some added pop and color. Underneath the laces, we have your signature padded tongue, which is done in black mesh. And at the very top, we have this tag which has the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro branding done in green. So the inner liner of the shoe is lined in black. There's additional padding around the back Achilles area for support. And then as I pull out the insole, these come with their standard black Nike SB insole. We have these hits of branding done in green. And then as I flip these over to the back, of course we have your signature Zoom Air unit underneath the heel for added impact protection and cushioning. So the upper of these Dunk Lows sit atop this white colored midsole, and then flipping these over to the bottom, here we have your signature SB Dunk Low Pro outsole. So this is entirely done in green rubber except for the cutaway in the middle, which exposes this black foam, and on the forefoot we have this circular traction pattern and pivot point. In terms of sizing, these fit true to size, so my feet measures as a true size 10, and I got these in a size 10 and they fit me pretty good. Compared to older SBs in the black box and gold box area, for example, for a lot of those pairs, I had to go up a half size, but for recent releases, especially in this Pro model, sticking true to size is perfectly fine by me. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, so the Nike SB Dunk Low is going to give you a ton of ground feel, feels pretty flat to the ground, and while there is added cushioning underneath the heel with the Zoom Air unit, it doesn't make too much of a difference for just an everyday casual use. I personally don't skateboard, so I can't comment on how well these actually skate, but they'll be perfectly fine for just a casual use sneaker. So with all that being said, now let me lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. So overall, as I said from the start, nothing too crazy, there's no hype surrounding this shoe, it's just a very clean color block Nike SB Dunk. The quality on this pair was okay and I wasn't expecting too much given the price point, but compared to other shoes in the same price point, I have seen worse leather. And in my books, this was a pretty solid pickup for my collection. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these pine green Nike SB Dunk Low Pros. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.